Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix blurry text or text not clear on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just be on your desktop and then just right click on your desktop and go inside display settings. From your display settings, under scale and layout, make sure you have selected the scale to something recommended. For me, it's 100%. For you, it could be something else. Select the recommended one. Then just go to the display resolution. Same thing for the display resolution. Just select whatever is recommended for you. And after that, just close this. And hopefully your problem should be fixed. But even after the problem is there, then what you have to do is just go to your search and type clear type. Then from the best matches you'll find at just clear type text, just open it. And after you have opened it, you can turn on clear type. This is gonna make your text clear, as you can see over here. And then just click on next to fix the settings. It's gonna find your monitor and select it. Just click on next. Then you just have to select the text which looks clearer to you. You have to give a test. And whichever text looks nicer to you, just select that. And just select the text which you like from here as well. And one last time, do the same thing again. And after you have done that, you have finished the tuning text on your monitor. Just click on finish. And it's going to change the entire text over your Windows settings. And basically that is it. Your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix blurry text or text not clear on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.